Okay, let's just get right into it. I apologize if the title of this seemed a little bit clickbaity. It was not my intention. First of all, I'm not here to insult or disagree with Trey or Matt Kors. I'm actually a subscriber to Trey's Trades. Matt Kors, it was a video put out by Trey that actually inspired me to make my own YouTube channel. This is not the purpose of my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video, actually. It was not supposed to be about this, but there was something Matt said this morning, because yes, I listen to Matt Kors every morning to follow my AMC shares regarding the AMC shareholder vote. And they've both pointed out that if there was information that they didn't take into consideration, that they'd want to be alerted. So I figured I'd jump on it and take the chance. If anyone, I am a bar licensed attorney in the state of Connecticut and federally. If anyone needs to get in touch with me, my Twitter handle is @LITIG, the number 8OR, capital D, capital W, capital J. On Instagram, I'm DWJANOSOVESQ. So if you need to get in touch with me, that's the way to do it. But you could also Google me. This is not to represent financial advice, because God knows I'm not qualified to give it, and it's not to represent legal advice, because God knows I'm not allowed to give it over the internet broadly. But here's the situation. Matt had pointed out this morning how we're all being asked as shareholders, because I, yes, am a shareholder and a subscriber to Matt and to Trey, as well as Wrench Capital, Andrew Mo Money. I'm a subscriber to all of them, but I listen to Matt every morning to follow AMC's share price, and I was disappointed with how badly they got kicked in the teeth today, and wish they didn't end up on the short sale restricted list either. Would rather go up 10%, especially with dark pools. They can probably still short on the downtick, but that's neither here nor there. So we're all being asked to vote on this potential issuance of more shares, and everybody's saying to vote no. It's actually a video that Trey put out that I was watching that caused me to second guess whether or not I should vote no. I don't know if anybody recalls, but Trey put out a video with another 23-year-old who was talking about how AMC could go up to $2,000. It's actually Trey who inspired me to start my own YouTube channel, which this is not the purpose of my YouTube channel to comment on AMC. I just heard Matt this morning, and I figured I would jump the gun for my first video and put this out. I apologize if the title's a little clickbaity again, but I'm not here to disagree with or start a fight with Trey or anybody else or Matt. No one. I'm just trying to get this out so that nobody runs out and votes without taking everything into consideration. I did a little legal research. Again, this isn't legal advice, but Trey had a video with a 23-year-old who said it could reach $2,000, and one of the ways that it could do that would be if it was acquired or partnered with someone like Amazon or Netflix through a streaming service. Now, we all know AMC has a very, very limited public float, and we're holding a bunch of it. Now, what does question one really ask in this shareholder thing? Does it actually ask to issue a bunch of extra shares? No. It asks for permission to come back to us and ask again if they want to issue these shares. Yes, issuing it would dilute our share price. That's true. But AMC has such a limited public float, and we're holding so much of it. What if someone like Netflix or Amazon did want to merge with AMC or purchase out AMC? How would they do it? I looked into it. AMC would need to issue a bunch more shares in order to make that possible. While that would lower the share value by potentially diluting the stock, I'm sure such a merger would get that snowball rolling down that row of snow like Andrew's always talking about and start us towards that squeeze. And since I have a significant amount of money invested in both AMC and GME myself, and as I said, am a subscriber to Andrew, to Trey, to Matt, although admittedly and embarrassingly, I'm a subscriber under my girlfriend's name, who I'm not going to give because I just started my own YouTube channel. Again, inspired by Trey. I'm also disappointed that Trey's not going to be having The Wolf of Wall Street on tonight. Trey, if you ever, God forbid, see this, again, I meant no disrespect, and God, I hope your health gets better. I feel so bad I saw that video with your eye. And Matt, I'm not giving this as a way to pick a fight with you in any way, shape, or form. I listen to you every morning. I just wanted to get it out there that they may be asking for permission on question number 6 to come back and ask us again, because there may be a situation where they do get an offer and they need to issue these shares, and this is a way that they could merge, according to what I found. Again, this is not legal advice. So if anybody needs to reach me, I can be reached on Twitter at LITIG, the number 8OR, capital DWJ, or over Instagram at DWJANOSOV. I am a bar license attorney in Connecticut and federal court. I have been practicing law for over 15 years. This is not financial advice. This is not legal advice. And I'm not going to ask anybody to smash the subscribe button, ring the bell, or leave any public comments. I just got this out there, and again, I apologize if the title was a little clickbaity. I don't know if anyone's even ever going to see this, but I had to get it out there just because I didn't want everybody running out and voting no because they were concerned about share dilution, when it's possible the reason why question number 6 is on there about them coming back around and being able to ask us a second time is because they may know something we don't and have a potential offer, and they just don't have enough shares available to offer that other company, be it Netflix, Amazon, or Disney, to make a merger happen. So I haven't voted yet because we have until May, and I'm waiting to see what happens with the share price. I'm not going to give anybody advice because I don't feel that I'm qualified to do so. I just wanted to put this alternative theory out there that there may be something that's not getting taken into consideration. And the irony of it is, I got it from Trade's video with the 23-year-old talking about AMC going to 2000. So take it for what you will. Take me for what you will. I apologize again. Didn't mean to offend anybody. Hope nobody takes this the wrong way. Just wanted to get it out there and make sure everybody had all of the information before they made a vote, because as a shareholder with a significant amount of money tied up in AMC, I would hate to see a potential merger that could cause the squeeze to start get short-circuited because we all forgot about what was on that video from Trey with the 23-year-old talking about how AMC could go to 2000. If anybody disagrees with me, you know how to get in touch with me. Peace to everybody. Nothing but love. Trey, I hope you get better. I'm looking forward to the Wolf of Wall Street. Matt, I'll be listening to you Monday morning while I'm at work, tracking AMC and GME. Thanks, everybody. When my real channel starts with its real purpose, it'll be up. But I just felt I should get this video out quick. Thanks, Al. Have a good Easter and a happy holidays. Take care.